So, you're thinking about getting out and about. Well, if you're ready to return, we're ready to welcome you back. Our cleaning team is now 600 strong, and we're working round the clock to keep our trains and stations clean, so you can travel with confidence. But remember, this is a team effort, so please play your part. Buy on our app or use contactless payments. Protect each other. Always wear a face covering in stations and on trains. Together, we can keep the North moving. So, wherever you're going, let's travel safely.